10,000 years from now, will we even recognize ourselves as human? Imagine waking up in a future so distant that our descendants might look more like characters from science fiction than anything we see in the mirror today. Their eyes may glow with enhancements. Their skin might be engineered for survival on planets we've never stepped foot on. Their brains could merge with artificial intelligence, processing thoughts at speeds we can't imagine. And here's the strange part. This future isn't as far-fetched as it sounds. We think of ourselves as finished products, but humanity has always been a work in progress. Our ancestors from thousands of years ago were shorter, stronger, and adapted to a harsher world. Their faces were different, their bones heavier, their lives focused on survival. Now fast forward to us, we're taller, lighter, and shaped by modern life. If so much could change in just 10,000 years behind us, then what will happen in the 10,000 years ahead? Look at where we're heading. Rising temperatures are already shaping our bodies. Scientists predict hotter climates may create taller, leaner humans built to regulate heat. In colder zones, bodies may grow stockier again. Our skin tones could shift with UV levels, perhaps even developing new pigments. That's nature's slow hand at work. Add technology into the mix, and suddenly the timeline speeds up dramatically. Imagine a child in the year 5000 being born not just naturally, but designed. Parents might choose eye color, intelligence, and disease immunity before birth. With gene editing, flaws could vanish, talents amplified. Within generations, the idea of normal humans may disappear altogether. We'll no longer be passengers in evolution's slow journey, we'll be the drivers. And what about our faces? Picture a society where cybernetic enhancements are common, eyes that zoom in like cameras, augmented ears that hear beyond normal ranges, even skin that glows faintly in the dark, optimized for night. Communication may no longer require mouths. Neural interfaces could let us speak with thought. To someone from our time, that would look less like a human and more like a visitor from another planet. When will all this happen? Evolution is slow, but technology is relentless. 1,000 years ago, the idea of flying machines and instant global communication was unthinkable. Today, they're normal. If just one millennium brought us this far, 10 more could transform us completely. The humans of 12,000 AD may not look or even live like us, and it won't be the same everywhere. On Earth, people will adapt to rising seas, deserts, and megacities built vertically. Beyond Earth, the changes may be even more dramatic. Colonists on Mars could evolve or engineer themselves for lower gravity, thinner air, and harsher radiation. Humans in deep space stations may become taller and thinner, their bones adapted to zero gravity. Over time, humanity may split into branches. Earth humans, Mars humans, space humans, each looking different, even alien to one another. Why will this happen? Because survival has always been the great sculptor of humanity. Every challenge forced us to adapt. Fire, farming, medicine, each changed who we are. But now survival isn't just about nature, it's about ambition. We don't just want to survive, we want to expand, explore, control our destiny. That drive will push us to redesign ourselves in ways evolution never intended. How will it happen? Through biology and machine? Genetic engineering could erase illnesses. Cybernetic implants might boost memory, strength, even emotions. Neural interfaces could merge our thoughts with AI, letting us access infinite knowledge, speak every language, or control machines with our minds. To us, it's science fiction. To them, it could be daily life. But here's the risk. Humanity may split into groups, the enhanced and the unenhanced. The wealthy could afford upgrades while others remain unchanged. Will that create a new inequality, or will technology eventually be shared by all? And then the biggest question, in 10,000 years, will we still call ourselves human? If our bodies are engineered, our minds merged with machines, and our lives stretched for centuries, are we the same species or something new? Perhaps our descendants will see us the way we see Neanderthals. Familiar but primitive, part of their story, but not their present. So when the year 12,000 arrives, what will humans look like? Taller, stronger, smarter, maybe glowing with new abilities? Or perhaps so alien that if we met them today, we'd mistake them for beings from another world. One thing is certain, we will not stay the same. Change is our only constant. When those future beings look back at us, will they see the start of something extraordinary, or the last generation that looked truly human?